अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम न्यूट्रिशन इन प्लांट्स का पार्ट सेकंड पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। तो पहले पार्ट में हमने पढ़ा टू मेन प्रोसेस विच टेक प्लेस इनसाइड प्लांट्स। नंबर वन photosynthesis and number second respiration. So in photosynthesis this process utilizes carbon dioxide and this process needs carbon dioxide, whereas in respiration it needs oxygen. So the product of photosynthesis is utilized by respiration and product of photosynthesis is oxygen. And respiration needs this oxygen. Similarly, the product of respiration is carbon dioxide and photosynthesis needs this carbon dioxide. Now the question is, does these two processes keep the happenings inside the plant 24 hours? Dear students, the process of photosynthesis, it happens only in presence of sunlight. That means this process will take place during the daytime. There will be no photosynthesis at night. So during the daytime, respiration as well as photosynthesis both occur. So carbon dioxide which is produced during respiration is used up in photosynthesis, and oxygen which is produced during photosynthesis is used up by respiration. But it is seen that the rate of photosynthesis is faster during the daytime. If photosynthesis happens faster, that means more oxygen will be released. Now what happens at night? There is no sunlight, therefore no photosynthesis. तो इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि जो नाइट टाइम है वहाँ पे सिर्फ रेस्पिरेशन होती है। तो रेस्पिरेशन के दौरान जो प्लांट्स हैं वो यूटिलाइज करते हैं ऑक्सीजन, और जो रिलीज़ करते हैं, जो वो बाहर देते हैं, वो देते हैं वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। और जो ये सो एक्स्ट्रा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड which is produced is diffused to the environment at night time. Therefore, the direction of diffusion in plants varies with the environmental conditions. Dear students, अब आपको समझ आया होगा कि जो environmental conditions हैं ये क्या है। आपने देखा कि जो photosynthesis हैं वो depend है environmental conditions पे, and the second one is requirements of the plant. That means what does the plant needs. If the plant wants to perform photosynthesis, it needs more and more carbon dioxide. And if plant wants to perform respiration, then it needs more and more oxygen. So environmental conditions and requirements of the plant govern the direction of diffusion. Now let us look at the difference between day and night. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया कि जो ज़्यादा डिफ्यूजन ऑफ गैसेस हैं या एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस हैं वो ज़्यादा स्टोमेटा के ज़रिए होती हैं। स्टोमेटा ये टाइनी पोर्स होती हैं लीफ में। The respiration in leaves occur during the daytime as well as at night. On the other hand, photosynthesis occur only during the daytime. No photosynthesis occur at night. During daytime, when photosynthesis occurs, oxygen is produced. The leaves use some of this oxygen for respiration and the rest of oxygen diffuses into air. Again, during daytime, carbon dioxide produced by respiration is all used up in photosynthesis by leaves. Even more carbon dioxide is taken in from air. The net gas exchange in leaves during daytime is oxygen diffuses out, carbon dioxide diffuses in. At night time, when no photosynthesis occurs and hence no oxygen is produced, oxygen from air diffuses into leaves to carry out respiration, and carbon dioxide produced by respiration diffuses out in air. So the net gas exchange in leaves at night is oxygen. تو کنکلوژن میں ہم یہ کہہ سکتے ہیں کہ جو دو مین پروسیسز پلانٹس کے انسائڈ پلانٹس کے اندر ہو جاتی ہیں وہ ہیں فوٹوسنتھسس اینڈ ریسپریشن. In photosynthesis, this process utilizes carbon dioxide, whereas in respiration it needs oxygen. The product of photosynthesis is utilized by respiration, and the product of photosynthesis is oxygen, and respiration needs this oxygen. Similarly, the product of respiration is carbon dioxide, and photosynthesis needs this carbon dioxide. Thanks.